In this video, we will show you how to create your first itinerary and do a walkthrough of the Itinerary Builder interface. The first thing you're going to want to do is select the New Trip button and select With Itinerary. From here, you're going to see that we are in a brand new trip. Go ahead, select the blue Edit button to edit this specific itinerary. From here, it's going to take us into the Itinerary Builder where we can build in content for this specific itinerary. Let's go ahead, start off in our settings, which is up at the top left, and fill out these 4 areas as best you can, starting with the itinerary name, the start date, price per person or total, as well as a description. A description is really great if you want to include any custom messaging or important links that you'd want to appear at the very beginning of the itinerary. You can also change your cover photo, and there's 4 ways of doing that. You can either use our royalty-free database to find photos, upload your own from your device, the website method where you can copy and paste a URL in, and we can try and grab direct photos from that site. Or you can always copy and paste photos. Let's go ahead though and use the photo database. I'm going to type in travel and select search. From here, we're going to be able to choose from all the different photos that come over. And for today, let's go ahead and grab this one. I'll select Save Changes. And now when you're ready to add more days to your itinerary, just click the blue New Day button and add as many as you need. As a reminder, you can always set your starting date in your settings, but you can also set your date from within this day. Go ahead and select the day, and you can add a date just like so. Once you select Done, you'll see that the dates populate in. When you're ready to add in content for the specific day or section, just select the New Event button, and a drop-down list of all the different categories of events that you can add into this day will show up. You can manually add information in, but you can also rely on our various supplier integrations to import a lot of the content for you. Just something to note as well, you can drag and drop your days into the order that you need, as well as your events, to make sure that your itinerary stays flexible with the ever-changing plans of travel. Now, on the right-hand side, you're going to notice the library. This is your own personal content database of information, and you can save content from previously made itineraries into your library to use for the future. For instance, when I type in Royal Caribbean, it shows up as a label of mine, and every Royal Caribbean item for myself will show up. This here is an itinerary, so when I drag and drop it over onto the March 7th date and drop it in, it'll populate the entire itinerary for me, as you can see. We have destination information, we have check-in items, we have photos, the cruise itinerary, you name it. Now, some other items that are going to help you along the way is the city guides. City guides is destination content that's already been made for you. So, when you're ready, type in the name of the destination that you're looking for. And for today, we'll do Los Angeles. And you'll see sometimes 2 different city guides. Both guides are great. Go ahead, take a look through each of them. But for the day, I am going to go with this first one. Now, you can pull over the entire guide, you can pull over specific sections, or you can pull over specific items. That's up to you. But for myself, let's drag and drop the Do and See item over. We'll drop it in. And as you can see, we have all the different links available to us that clients can interact with and see a map and description. Now, up at the top, we have 3 different buttons. When we select Send, you have 2 different options of sending this. You can get the itinerary link for the web, or you can grab the direct mobile app link to send to your clients. You can also grab the email invite. This is where you'll type in your clients' email addresses, choose to CC yourself, and include a custom message if you would like. You also have the option of customizing a PDF for your clients. Next, let's go ahead and select the preview option. This is exactly what your client is going to see when they come to your itinerary. They can expand the days open, and they can go to specific sections of the itinerary that will drag and drop them right into that area. They can interact with the photos and links, of course. And up at the top right, they'll have similar options to view their itinerary. They can grab the app option to get directions on how to download the Trip Plans app, which is that free app that they can use to view their itinerary and communicate back and forth with you. They also have a simple PDF option that they can go ahead and download, or they also have the messaging area right within this web link that they can use to, again, chat back and forth with you, in which you'll receive a notification. But that's it. That is how you can build an itinerary within Travefy. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to check out the rest of our Getting Started videos.